children, welcome back to English class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Now we are discussing second semester lesson 1. What is the name of the lesson? Padmini. Okay. In the last class we learned helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. I hope you all are completed the textual exercise. Is it? Yes, very good. So today let us learn about compound words. What's it? Compound words. Maybe some of you know about compound words. Today let us learn some more words in compound words. Okay, here you can see 4 words. See the first one, sun, flower. See, if I join these 2 words, I will get a new word. See, if I join this sun and flower, I will get a new word. What is it? It becomes sunflower. It becomes sunflower. Sun plus flower, sunflower. See another one, it is food. You know what is food? Next one is ball. Okay, so if I join these 2 words, I will get a new word. See, food plus ball. It becomes, what is it? What is it? It becomes football. Food plus ball, football. So children, in these examples you can see each word have its own meaning. Sun has its own meaning and flower has its own meaning. But when we joined these words, these 2 different words, we got another word with a new meaning. It becomes sunflower. And here also food has one meaning and ball has another meaning. When we join together, we got a new word. What's it? Football. So, what is compound word? Compound words are formed when 2 or more words are joined together to create a new word. So, that's what we saw here. Let us see some more examples for compound words.
Barn plus yard, barnyard. Bath plus room, bathroom. Table plus cloth, tablecloth. Air plus port, airport. Earth plus worm, earthworm. Farm plus house, farmhouse. Snow plus man, snowman. Rattle plus snake, rattlesnake. Case plus book, casebook. Straw plus berry, strawberry. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Wild plus cat, wildcat.
Children, in your textbook, page number 7, you can see this activity. Match the words in A and B to make compound words. Have to match section A with B to make new word, a new compound word. Complete the sentences with the new words. In the next page, you can see some incomplete sentences. After doing this activity, you will get the compound word and use that compound words to fill the blanks in this sentences. So first, let us make the compound words. What's the first word? Yes, let me see the first word. It is tooth. Okay, can you match any words with tooth? Tooth noon? No. Tooth book? No. Tooth market? No. Toothbrush. Yes, toothbrush. Yes, we can match it like this. So this is a compound word, toothbrush. Next one, after. After. Yes, afternoon. Let's match it. Afternoon. Next one, pop. Pop book. No. Pop market. No. Pop words. No. Popcorn. Yes, popcorn. We can match it together to make that compound word. Next one is story. This word can match with story. Yes, storybook. Storybook. It's a compound word. Next one, super. Supermarket. Supermarket. Next one, fire. Fire. Yes, only one word is left. Fireworks. I know you all love fireworks. Okay, so we got 6 new words using the 2 words. Yes, we joined 2 words to make a new word. Toothbrush, afternoon, popcorn, storybook, supermarket, fireworks. Okay, children, I hope you all got this new words, new compound words. Now, let us fill the blanks in the sentences using these compound words. Children, take your textbook page number 8. We have to fill the blanks with the compound words we formed. Okay, it's easy. We already formed the compound words. We have to just add the compound words to the blanks. See the first one. Keep your dash clean. You have to write the first one. That is toothbrush. Keep your toothbrush clean. See the next one. The baby sleeps in the afternoon. See, we have already formed the compound words before. So we just need to add the compound words in the blanks. So the baby sleeps in the afternoon. Next one. I love the smell of fresh dash. I love the smell of fresh popcorn. Next one. This dash has lovely pictures in it. The next compound word is storybook. So this storybook has lovely pictures in it. So children, complete the textual exercise in page number 7 and 8. I hope you all understood what is compound word. What is it? Compound words are formed when 2 or more words are joined together to create a new word. See, there is no gap between these 2 words. We join these 2 words together. There is no gap. So, I hope you all understood what is compound words. Children, now let us do another textual activity from your textbook, page number 10, that is spelling.
Children, here you can see some words. Can you read this? Yes. Enough, alphabet, nephew, rough, paragraph, and laugh. See the first word, enough. Here you can see the letters G and H are pronounced as the sound F. Enough. We do not write the letter F, but we write the letters G and H and it pronounced as F sound. So in English, we use these letters to pronounce as F sound. So G and H here pronounced as F. See the next word, alphabet. alphabet. Here also we can see the letters P and H. In enough we used G and H. Here P and H is pronounced as first sound, alphabet. We do not write the letter F, but instead we use the letters P and H. So understand, in English P and H is also pronounced as first sound, alphabet. See the next word, nephew. Here also the letters P and H is pronounced as first sound, nephew. Next word, rough. Here we can see the letters G and H. These letters also pronounced as F, but it is silent, rough. Next, the word paragraph. Here also we use the letters P and H pronounced as first sound. Next word, love. The letters GH are pronounced as first sound. So children, understand, in English the letters GH and PH are pronounced as first sound.
See children, in this word cup, you can see the letters G and H. It comes at the end of the word. We pronounce it as F, cuff. When these letters comes at the beginning of a word, here you can see the word ghost. So the letters G and H comes at the beginning. We pronounce this G and H as G, ghost. Okay, so when these letters G and H comes at the end of a word, we pronounce it as F. For example, cuff. When these letters G and H comes at the beginning of a word, we pronounce it as G. For example, ghost. Okay, you can see some other examples using these letters. Tough, love, tough, light, might, thought. Here you can see these letters are silent in these words. Light, might, thought. Okay, that's all about G and H. And here you can see some examples for the sound PH. We pronounce it as F. First sound. Here in graph, F, graph. Here also we can pronounce it as F. Next, fawn. Here also we can see the letters P and H. We pronounce it as F. Next one, phonics. Here also we can see the letters PH. We pronounce it as F. Next one is photo. Here also we use these letters. It pronounced as first sound. There is no matter whether it comes at the end or beginning. We pronounce it as F. Okay children, in your textbook, page number 10, we can see an exercise. Let us do it.
Children, here you can see some pictures and their names also given under the image. Complete these words using PH or GH. See the first one. What is the first picture? Yes, it's a dolphin. You have to write the correct spelling. D-O-L. The two letters are missing. PH or GH? Yes, PH. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Next one. What is that? Yes, elephant. Can you complete it? Yes. E-L-E. Then P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Very good. What is in the next image? Yes, it's a telephone. We have to complete it. What is the spelling of telephone? T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. Children, find out the next two image spellings.
Children, I hope you all understood today's class. Do the textual exercise and study well. We'll meet next day with a new topic. Until then, take care and bye.